Big screen right here, and 14 out of 25 entries got selected, and yours is one of the same. And how are you feeling right now?
I'm obviously very happy. This film was made in Goa, and to show it in such a venue with so many people and with such, what can I say, such joy is remarkable. I'm really, really happy.
All right, and this is a very special film. And can you tell us something more about this film, and also like what draws inspiration to make such a film in Goa and set it on the global stage like IFFI?
Uh, we used to live in Goa. I've lived in Goa for about a couple of years. So during that time, the interior of Goa, where we were living, is very unlike whatever we have usually seen in films. So we felt that there is a space for a film which shows the true gritty interior of Goa. Where the bakers and where the people fishing in the ponds and those stories from deep down. So I thought that is something that deserves to be shown on an international forum. So when we were doing this film, that was what drove us, to bring this completely new world to the world. So I'm hoping this will inspire more people in Goa to do more interesting and different kind of stuff, which is not stereotypically Goan. So our aim was really just to appreciate that beauty which we saw and frame it within a cinematic sense, create some drama, make it watchable for the people of Goa. That was somewhat where we were pushing with this.
And what is one message that you'd like to share to the young budding filmmakers in Goa? Because your style is completely different, and something inspiring from your side to the young budding filmmakers in Goa.
Goa is, I can make at least 10, 20 more films in Goa. There's so much story, there's so much, and I want overlap. There's so much stuff out there. So, we did one film. I'll go back wherever I came from, but I'm hoping the film will inspire younger people to look into their own lives and the environments around themselves, which is not being seen by people outside Goa. So there's a lot left in Goa, and there's a lot that is going to happen in Goa. I'm sure of that.
Yes, perfectly said as well. We have the actress of this film, Prashanthi Talpankar ma'am. If you could just come ahead, and a small question from my side as well. Share us about the experience of working on this film and getting it done on this IFFI festival as well.
Um, the movie is totally different. I had never done this type of movie earlier. I've done about 20 movies, short films, and so this was totally different. It was right in Aldona, but there is a scene in caves, and then in the jungle, and I had to walk barefoot. So it was totally a new experience for me, and the direction also was different. The discussions which took place were very enlightening, and they allowed me as an actor to discuss with them, agree with them, disagree with them. So overall it was a very enhancing and enriching experience.
Well, that was so special as well. If I just take one word to describe IFFI, what would it be from your side?
Amazing.
Amazing. So from your side?
Splendid, spectacular.
Splendid. The other cast and crews?
Fun.
Fun. What else?
Very nice.
Very nice. And?
Enlightening.
Enlightening. And couple of from your side?
Delightful.
Delightful and? Very exciting. Thank you so much. And can I have a photo op with ma'am as well? That's a group picture, and this is the film Ais Maka Falatukan, directed by Srijit Karnawar, and you can screen right here in the Goan section as well. Alright, we have the chairman of the jury as well. We'll take a picture with him, and let's sit up with a smile. IFFI 55. Thank you so much. That was chairman of the jury, and also Sri Sharmat Raitudkar, the GB member for ESG. And can I have it up this side as well? Alright, first of all, congratulations to the entire team, and I can see the bright smiles, and lovely team, lovely smiles, and the first we have the director of this film, Akshay. So how are you feeling as your film, the special way, getting screened right here at IFFI, 14 out of 25, and your film is here?
So it's a great feeling because having been participating in the sense of being a delegate for IFFI for 12 years, being on the other side, finally get to walk the red carpet and I do for a film which is a Konkani film. it's a great feeling. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. And share something about something more about this film and also the title, which takes the cultural and traditional aspect of the same. So share something more about the same.
So the film is it's a story of two 12-year-olds, and it's structured around football, and it takes on a kind of a serious topic which is about caste in urban areas, and we explore that story through the eyes of two 12-year-olds and how that affects their friendship. So it's a feel good film also, and yeah, so that's the film. That's what the film is about.
All right, and a small message from your side to the budding young filmmakers in Goa, and share something about the message from your side.
There's been a great new wave of young filmmakers who are making films, especially in Konkani. And I'm really excited to see there are so many film screening this time in the Goa section. It's really nice to see to have 14 films here, and I'm really proud and excited to be like there are so many in my team. Some of them have their own film screening for the same section, and so yeah, it's just a new crop, and I'm really excited to watch what they make and what we all make together.
Well, it's a bright theme and bright, vibrant energy from your side as well. Just one word to describe IFFI.
Vibrant.
Vibrant, perfect. And you're on the global stage at IFFI. So how are you feeling right now?
This is a very good experience for me, and this is very first time experience. I mean, a big platform like IFFI, and I'm very excited to watch my movie, and I'm very happy also.
One word, happiness from his side as well. All right, let's take a photo up with ma'am, and it's getting screened at Marquis Palace in the moment. So let's join for the screening as well. .55, lovely, thank you so much.